I'm here with my friend Cruz. We're gonna install some spacers for his wheels. Cruz, hi, say hi.
Hey guys.
So we're gonna start install some spacers. We're gonna start here and take some time-lapse video. So we're taking pictures before and after. Let's see how that goes. So stay tuned. Talk to you later. All right, we're installing the spacer now. Let's see how that goes. How many millimeters is this one?
This is 25, so it's 1 inch.
1 inch.
Yeah, let's see how it looks after.
Yeah, it might be that you might need some coilovers after this to lower the car a little bit.
Yeah, that's coming.
Because we got, is it 17-inch wheels?
Yeah, it's 17. Yeah, so it's probably gonna have significant space, but we'll see.
All right, great. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it makes a huge difference. Now you have a gap there. That gap, we might work with that gap with some coilovers, lower the car a little bit. But if you look at it from behind, it makes a big difference, big difference. All right, let's keep going. All right, we just finished wheel number 2. Let's get the car down and see how it looks. Nice. Oh yeah. Huge difference. Look at that. Yeah, that gap is about what? A bit more than 1 inch, you think? Yeah. These are great wheels, man. All right, we're gonna do the third one. Just done. Putting the car down. Nice. So the back is ready. Just one more left. Oh. Looks great. We finished with Cruz's car and his spacers, and now we're here in my car. We're gonna try to remove the center console and repair it or restore it with some black paint. As you can see, it's scratched, and I think the surface is like sticky. It happens with these cars with age, and we'll have to remove the seats and a whole lot of stuff in order to get it out. So let's see how that goes. Yeah. Painted console is back in place. We're assembling now. Doug, say hi.
What's up, everybody?
Hey. So you can see some parts here that we just painted. I'm gonna put the link to the paint, so if you might want to get it or an equivalent. It's pretty cool. It dries very fast. Takes a couple of coats and you're good to go. All right. So this is what happens when you work on a TT. More TTs show up. You got Cruz, you got Dogs TT. You need a name for your TT, my friend. And then there's Patty. We're almost done. We installed the center console and we're about to reinstall the seats, and it looks really amazing. It looks brand new. No scratches, no sticky parts. It's just great.